Myself, Bhavna Thakur. I am pursuing law from Lloyd Law College, and my topic is Uniform Civil Code. The Uniform Civil Code means one country, one rule is applied to all religious communities, and it means कि एक रूल जो सारे रिलीजियस कम्युनिटीज को अप्लाई करता है, मतलब उसके ऊपर रूल होते हैं जितने द यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड है वो मेंशन है पार्ट 4 Article 44 of the Indian Constitution, and Article 44 says that which is one of the directive principle of the state policy, and it provides that the state shall endeavor to secure for all citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of the India. And the provision contained in this part shall not be enforceable by the any court, but the principle therein laid down are the nevertheless fundamental in the governance of the country, and it shall be the duty of the state to apply these principles in making laws, which effectively means that the vision of the Uniform Civil Code is enshrined in the Indian Constitution as a goal towards which the nation should strive, but it isn't a fundamental right or constitutional guarantee. One can't approach the court to demand a uniform civil code. But that doesn't mean court can't opinion on the matter. Then, the demand of the UCC came to the fore in the judgment pronounced in the most famous case of Shah Banu case, which is held in 1985, more than 3 decades after the constitution was drafted. Shah Banu moved a Supreme Court seeking the maintenance after her husband divorced her after 40 years of marriage by giving the triple talaq and denied her regular maintenance. We all know that the Shah Banu case कि जो शाह बानू केस था कि उसके ही 40 साल के बाद उसके हस्बैंड ने उसको डाइवोर्स दे दिया, जिसमें उसके हस्बैंड ने उसको 1 साल के बाद मेंटेनेंस देना बंद कर दिया था, जिससे उसके घर का खर्चा कुछ नहीं चल रहा था और उसको ट्रिपल तलाक कहके बंद कर दिया था, उसको रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस नहीं दिया था. बट शाह बानू ने पिटीशन फाइल की सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, और ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट से आगे मतलब फाइल अपील की कि उसको मेंटेनेंस जो था वो मिलना चाहिए. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट बेंच इन द वर्डिक्ट इन फेवर ऑफ द बानू, तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये वर्डिक्ट शाह बानू के फेवर में लिया एंड said observed that there is no evidence of any official activity for framing a common civil code for the country. A common civil code will help the cause of the national integration by removing disseparate loyalties to law which having conflict ideologies. In the 1995 Sarla Mudgal case, Justice Kuldeep Singh retired the need for the parliament to frame a union civil code, then which would help the cause of a national integration by removing ideological contradiction. The same suggestion reflect in the verdict of other landmark cases such as the Jordan versus S.S. Chopra and John Wallam-Mathon versus Union of India, and much more cases like this. Thank you so much.